So I'm going to try to do a cold start on this. I've had it on a battery charger for about 20 minutes or so. And I'm going to try to fire it up. For some reason, it's not wanting to start. It's probably because it's so dang cold. But, because it's like 8 degrees out, so I understand. I don't know that I'd want to start either. So, I'll see you in a few after I let this sit a little bit longer. Or put a jump pack on it or something. Okay, I'm back out here. It's been probably about an hour. I'm going to unplug these cords and see if maybe she'll fire off now. Set this aside because if it fires off, I'll probably go drive it a little bit. And once again, I just checked the weather right before I came out and it says it's 10 degrees, feels like -7. Why is she not wanting to fire? Her spin, I mean. Okay, I'm going to hook the battery charger back up and see if it'll spin better that way. See you in a second. Okay, now the cables are connected. I'm going to see if it'll fire now. Or spin. Woo! Backfire a little bit. Let's shut the choke off. Maybe it don't want choke. Well, that was weird. I'm thinking I overloaded the power. That's probably what it was. Oops. Let me unhook this and see if it'll work now. Now that it's fired a little bit. Kind of smells bad. Hopefully I didn't fry nothing. Okay, ready? Let's choke it. What the?